Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. This one's a cherry red. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 with 290 horsepower and 260 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 20-inch 5-spoke wheels. Black leather interior with a wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Rear heated seats. Trailer hitch package. 4x4 limited. Jeep badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Keyless entry. Power windows, memory seats, power seats. Hopping in, we've got a heated steering wheel controls, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, automatic transmission, our different driving modes. This Jeep has 85,517 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, check out feldmanimports.com.